Hey everyone, Carl Barnowski here at Assurance Claims Services, and today I'm going to do a little Q&A video because I'm getting a ton of questions about who the heck I am and what a public adjuster does and how we work. So strap in and I'm going to answer a few of the big ones that I've been getting lately. Number one, if you really want to understand who I am, just Google me, Carl Barnowski. My name is in the heading, or Assurance Claims Services. You'll find out that we have a ton of Google reviews and a lot of satisfied customers. So what does a public adjuster do? Well, we work on your behalf, meaning if you have property damage, we completely carry the burden of negotiating and settling your insurance claim for you, which means that we want to make sure that your claim is documented properly. I use a lot of technology to come in and I use what's called a 3D map Matterport camera. So we document absolutely every square inch of your property inside and out, including the roof. And that's number one. Number two is we handle all the inspections with the insurance company. When they show up, we're there. When they're calling to ask you questions, we answer those questions for you. So there's no slip ups, there's no mistake. And our goal ultimately is to make sure that you get paid properly in a timely manner based on the coverages that you have in force. That's what we do. Other questions. One, does it cost anything to call or text me and ask me a question? Absolutely not. In fact, I encourage it. Whether you're a client of mine or not, that's why I post my direct cell phone number on this page. That's me. You want to call or text me with a question? I don't care who you are. I don't care where you are. I will answer that question open and honestly. Secondly, does it cost anything for me to come and look at your property and do an inspection and give you an assessment? No, it does not. Until you are under contract with me to settle your claim, all of the preliminary stuff is absolutely free. So it costs you nothing to ask me questions, to use me as a resource, or to come and do an inspection of your property. And I would encourage you to do that. So those are the two big questions I've been getting lately. Again, that number that you see on the screen, that is my cell phone direct. You can call or text me 24/7 and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I encourage you to stay safe out there, ask good questions, and I look forward to helping you. Stay well.